If you want to turn PowerPoint into a simple, professional digital signage display, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use PowerPoint for digital signage step by step, so you can create looping slides that run automatically like ads, announcements, menus, or promos. This works great for offices, shops, schools, churches, waiting rooms, and events. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's start with the first step, creating your slides. Open PowerPoint and build your presentation just like you would make a set of digital ads. Each slide should focus on one message only. Add a strong image, a short line of text, and if needed, an offer, announcement, or call to action. The key here is to keep everything simple, bold, and easy to read from a distance. Digital signage is not about crowded slides, it's about clear visuals that catch attention fast. Use large fonts, high contrast colors, and clean layouts so your message stands out whether someone is walking by or viewing it from across the room. If you're making a promotion slide, keep the headline short and powerful. If you're making an announcement, make the most important words the biggest on the screen. Think of each slide as a mini billboard. You want people to understand it in just a few seconds. Once your slides are ready, move on to the timing. Now for step 2, setting the auto slide timing. This is what makes PowerPoint work like digital signage instead of a normal slideshow. Go to the Transitions tab at the top of PowerPoint. Here, you'll see options that control how one slide moves to the next. First, uncheck on mouse click because you do not want to manually advance the slides, then check the after box. This tells PowerPoint to change slides automatically after a set amount of time. Enter a timing that works for your content, like 5 seconds or 10 seconds per slide. Shorter times are good for quick promos, while longer times work better if your slide has more text or important information. After you set the timing, click Apply to All so every slide uses the same automatic transition. This is important because you want the whole presentation to run smoothly without stopping. Next comes step 3, looping the presentation. This is what makes the slideshow repeat continuously on screen. Go to the Slideshow tab and choose Set up Slideshow. In the settings window, look for the option that says loop continuously until ESC and check it. This makes the presentation restart automatically after the last slide finishes. That means your digital signage can keep running all day without needing someone to restart it. This is perfect for screens in lobbies, storefronts, hallways, and reception areas. If you want the presentation to look even more polished, make sure your slides are designed in the right aspect ratio for the display you're using. For many screens, widescreen format works best, but you can also customize the slide size if needed. That way your content fills the screen properly and looks more like a real signage system. Now, for step 4, starting the slideshow. Once everything is set up, press F5 on your keyboard to start the presentation from the beginning. PowerPoint will now run automatically, moving from slide to slide based on the timing you set, and when it reaches the end, it will loop back to the beginning. At this point, your PowerPoint file is acting like a digital signage display. If you want to use this in a real setting, save your file carefully and test it first on the actual screen where it will be displayed. Check that the text is readable, the images are clear, and the timing feels right. If a slide moves too fast, give it a few more seconds. If it feels too slow, shorten the timing a bit. The goal is to make it smooth, clear, and visually appealing, and that's it. You now know how to use PowerPoint for digital signage by creating simple slides, setting automatic timing, looping the presentation, and starting it as a full-screen display. It's an easy and affordable way to build signage without special software. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.